Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex-Stock-Predictions. Hope you are all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are having a look at the gold chart. Right, we are looking on the 4-hour and trying to see whether we have any interesting opportunities that we can take advantage of. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and as always, let's get into the charts. So, on your left-hand side of the screen, we have our daily time frame, and on the right, we have our 4-hour time frame. On the left, on the daily, we can see that gold on the 18th of April hit a high of around nearly $2,000. It came back down on the 3rd of May to the 1850 mark, which means we have been doing nothing but trending downwards for the last few weeks. So this tells us that technically we should be looking for short entries, because why would we trade against the trend? Yes? Having said that, when we switch over to the 4-hour time frame, let's pull this back a bit. You can see there are some interesting opportunities to go counter trend, right? But now this only happens when we follow our rules. Counter trend setups for me are not high grade setups, and I wouldn't class them as A grade, or this particular setup has an X amount of % chance of performing well, right? Going against the trend for me is very, very risky. And whenever I do this, I only risk a very small lot size on my position. Okay, having said that, on the 4-hour, we can see that we have been trending downwards because, as the daily shows, price has been moving lower and lower. We're making lower lows and lower highs. So, what am I doing with this position right here? Well, in this particular case, I noticed an order block, a zone that I was interested in. We had this little area right over here that I was waiting for price to break and to close above, which it did, right? I also wanted to see the break above close with strong, sufficient volume to accompany it, which we got. Right now, although we did not make a higher high, we did not take out this resistance above here, right? We didn't even really get close to it, which signifies that the price is dropping further. I did see an opportunity to take, I guess we could call it a scalp on the 4-hour time frame, right? We could say that if we had a target of 124, which most of you know is my preferred risk to reward with these types of setups, well then I could see no reason why I shouldn't attempt it. Now I could easily say, let's put our target over here and try and aim for a 126, right? Because we think that gold is going to hit resistance before coming back down. This is all very well and good to say, and this could play out, and then it would just be like hindsight trading, and I don't like hindsight trading. All right, so I looked for this break of this structure here. I saw the break. I saw the high volume, right? I then wanted to see lower volume than the break on the retrace, which we got. Yes, this is a strong bearish bar of volume. However, it did not take out the impulse volume, which is this one right here. My entry was at the 50% mark of this yellow zone, and we are waiting to see whether we are going to hit target. So let's see how that plays out. For anyone wondering, why do I have this yellow box happening right here? Well, I could say that this is another area of interest, which would look something like this. If I see the charts work out in the way that I'm looking, we could look at something like this, which is also a 124. So we don't know if price is gonna hit that retracement mark and carry on lower. You know, we don't know. But the rules of a strategy is that How I see it is we should take every setup that presents itself to us, right? Because if we don't, then we are doing ourselves a disservice. If we have a setup that works with our rules, but we don't take it, then we're messing with the probabilities. We're messing with our probabilities in the long run. Yes, because if we have a particular setup that works, let's say 6 times out of 10, but we don't take all 10, if we don't roll the dice 10 times, we don't know, we can't expect our 60% win rate to occur. This is why I always like to say, let's take every single possible setup that occurs as long as it meets our criteria and our trading plan. All right. If you have any questions or comments or anything that you would like to know, please don't hesitate to post them in the comment section. We will definitely be answering all questions. You can check the link for our website in the description below, as well as the links to our social media profiles. And today is NFP, right? First Friday of every month. So if you are scalping today, I would say be very careful, as we know the markets can get very, very, very turbulent during NFP. If you are trading on a higher time frame, like the 4-hour or the daily, and you are confident in your setup and you are leaving it over the weekend into next week, I say good luck. And as always, I say thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will be definitely seeing you all next week. Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye.